Dear students, in the last class we have discussed the topic of implicit and explicit differentiation. In the last class we have to study the topic of implicit and explicit function. That topic is completed. Okay. In this class we are going to study the topic of logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation is the most important topic in the chapter differentiation, because in differentiation we have two marks questions. They will arise 2 marks questions will be two. These 2 marks questions in the concepts of inverse trigonometric functions derivatives, and then implicit and explicit function derivatives, and then logarithmic derivatives. Out of 3 topics, there will be 2 questions for 2 marks in differentiation. So one more important concept is logarithmic differentiation. Before that logarithmic differentiation, we know the logarithmic function. We know the logarithmic function, that is if log x base 10, this is called common logarithmic. This is called common logarithm. And the another one is log x base e is called natural logarithm. Log x base 10 is called common logarithm. Log x base e is called natural logarithm, and natural logarithm is simply denoted by log x. In mathematics, we are familiar with the log x base e, that is called a natural logarithm. It is denoted by log x. In physics, we use log x base 10. In chemistry, we use log x base a. Okay. Next concept is, this is the common logarithm and this is the natural logarithm. Next, what are the values of a log function? For example, note. In the note, we have studied the standard values. For example, log 1. We must know the value of log 1. The value of log 1 is equal to 0. And also, what is the value of log e? All functions containing the base e. In the mathematics, we use a log x. Simply it is denoted with log x base e. It is called a natural logarithm. Okay. Log e, the value of log e is equal to 1. And log 0, the value of log 0 is minus infinity. And then the value of log infinity is equal to infinity. We must know the values of logarithm. Logarithmic function and exponential function are opposite to each other. The value of log 1 is 0. The value of log e is equal to 1. Log 0 is equal to minus infinity. Log infinity is equal to infinity. And then next concept is, we must know the properties of logarithmic. We use the properties by logarithmic differentiation to solve the problem in logarithmic differentiation. What are the properties involved in logarithmic differentiation? That is properties number 1. Suppose we have a log m into n containing the base, some e or a, anything it may be. Log m into n, that value can be written as a log m plus log n. It is the first property. The problem containing log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. And then property number 2, log m divided by n. log m divided by n. Log m divided by n can be written as log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. This is the property number 2. And then property number 3. Log m to the power of n, that value is equal to log m to the power of n can be written as, we take n as first, that is n log m. N log m. It is the property number 3. And then property number 4. Property number 4. Suppose if the property is like that, log m base n. In all the properties 3, logarithmic function containing the base e, but here base n is there. So that value can be written as 1 divided by log n base m. This property is known as change of base rule. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು change of base rule ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. This can also be written as log m some base a divided by log n some base a. These 3 are equal. If the property log m base n can be written as 1 divided by log n base m, and also these 2 can be written as log m base a divided by log n base a. This property is known as change of base rule. Change of base rule anta adanna kariತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Next, fifth one. We already used the fifth one property in the basic problems of differentiation. That is log, or in other words, a to the power of log base a f of x can be written as, that value is equal to f of x. That value is equal to f of x. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Fifth property is a to the power of log base a f of x is equal to f of x. If these two are same, then these values are cancelled, then the value is equal to f of x. These are the properties of a logarithmic function. Before that, we solve the problems in the logarithmic differentiation. We must know these are all the concept. Concept number 1 is log x base 10 is called common logarithm, and log x base e is called natural logarithm. It is denoted by log x. And values of log 1 is equal to 0, log e is equal to 1, log 0 is equal to minus infinity, log infinity is equal to infinity. And properties of logarithm, that is log mn is equal to log m plus log n, log m divided by n is equal to log m minus log n, log m power n is equal to n log m, and then change of base rule, log m base n is equal to 1 divided by log n base m. And then last one, fifth one, a to the power of log base a f of x is equal to f of x. Suppose ಈ ತರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, that is log m plus log n, that value is equal to ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ m into n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ಅದು log of mn ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, just mn ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ problems. Next, problems. Find dy by dx of the followings. First one problem was asking in March 2016 for 1 mark. That is y is equal to a to the power of log a root cos x. We know properties of logarithm, that is a to the power of log a f of x, that value can be written as f of x. This is the property number fifth one. Instead of root x, they were asking like that 1 by 2 log base a cos x. This is also can be written as m log n power m. That value is also equal to root cos x. I understood the concept. Suppose ನಿಮಗೆ 1 by 2 log cos x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ log root cos x ಅಂತ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Then next step is y is equal to, simply that value can be written as root cos x. Is it clear? Instead of f of x we have a root cos x, therefore that value is equal to root cos x. Suppose we have 1 by 2 log cos x, then we write log cos x whole power 1 by 2. It can be written as root cos x. Then differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx is equal to root. Inside the root we have a cos x, that is called as dabba. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Root dabba 1 by 2 root dabba into d by dx of dabba. So 1 divided by 2 root dabba. Instead of dabba we have cos x, that is 1 by 2 root cos x into d by dx of cos x into d divided by dx of cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So final answer is, suppose ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus sin x divided by 2 root cos x is the final answer. This question is asking for 1 mark. And then question number 2. Question number 2 is appear in June 2015 for 2 mark. The question is like that: y is equal to log 7 of log x. Log 7 of log x. We know the derivative formula, that is d divided by dx of log x base a. Log x base a, that value is equal to 1 divided by x log a. 1 divided by x log a. We know the standard derivative formula, that is d by dx of log x base a is equal to 1 divided by x log a. Instead of a we have 7. Instead of x we have log x. So that value, that is instead of x we have log x, and we called log x as dabba, because here x is there, here log x is there. So log x is called dabba. That is differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of y? dy divided by dx is equal to log x base a is equal to 1 by x log a. 1 divided by x. Instead of x we have log x, so log x into log a. Instead of a we have 7, so log 7 into d divided by dx of in the place of dabba we have log x, so d divided by dx of log x. What is the derivative of log x? The derivative of log x is 1 by x. So final answer is dy divided by dx is equal to here 1 by x is there, so 1 by x na starting ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. 1 divided by x log x into log 7 This is the standard result or standard answer. Okay, next suppose ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ನಾವು ಈ ತರನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. log of log x base 7 ಇದೆ, log of log x base 7 ಇದೆ, that value can be written as y is equal to log of log x divided by log 7. By the change of base rule, y can be written as a log of log x divided by log 7. Then log 7 is a constant. Take log 7 as outside. That is y is equal to 1 divided by log 7 into differentiate log of log x. Differentiate log of log x, that is d divided by dx of log of log x. Log of log x. We know the derivative of log x, that is 1 by x. We don't know the differentiation of log of log x. So that value is called as a dabba. What is log x? 1 by x. Log dabba 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. Same answer will appear. ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. y is equal to a to the power of x. Find dy by dx. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ a ಪವರ್ x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a ಪವರ್ x ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ a ಪವರ್ x ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ a ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಗ they will give only 1 marks. This problem was appeared in 2 marks. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ take the problem y is equal to a power x. Take a log on both sides. Next step is take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then the problem is log y is equal to log a to the power of x. Log y is equal to log a to the power of x. This is the first step. And then next simplify the problem. That is log y is equal to, we know the property number 3, log m power n. Log m power n can be written as n log m. So x ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ that value can be written as x log e. This is the second procedure. First take log on both sides, and then next log m power n can be written as n log m. Okay, next differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Differentiate with respect to x. Here log y is there. If log x is there, then 1 by x is the derivative. Log y, the derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy by dx. Because here instead of x we have a y. So that value is 1 divided by y into dy divided by dx is equal to, in the right side, log a into x. Log a is a constant. So keep log a as it is and find the derivative of x with respect to x. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. So that value is equal to log a, or in other words log a into 1. Next, cross multiply y. Y is in the denominator, so take to the another side, it becomes in the numerator. So dy divided by dx is equal to y into log a. Finally, substitute the value of y. Here we have taking let y is equal to a power x. So substitute, put y is equal to a power x. That is, finally we got dy divided by dx is equal to, instead of y we have a power x into log a. A power x into log a. Follow this procedure, then we got 2 marks. ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಡೌಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್, ಇಯರ್ ಪವರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x square is 2x. And then next procedure is, suppose we have a constant in the base and function in the power, 2 power x. What is the derivative of 2 power x? 2 power x is nothing but a power x. The derivative of a power x is nothing but a power x into log a. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. And then last condition, we have a x to the power of x. Here x is also a function, so we use the logarithmic differentiation. Are you understood? ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಂತು ಅದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. If the problem is the base containing the function and the power containing the constant, then we don't use the logarithmic. And base is a constant, power is a function, then don't use the logarithmic differentiation. If the base and power are both of function, ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ one problem is the most important problem. Fourth one is the most important problem. That is, that problem is asking in March 2014 and March 20. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2014 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ the question will appear like that, differentiate x power x with respect to x. To solve the problem, first we have to take let y is equal to x power x. This is the first step. Y is equal to x power x, and then take a log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then we get log y is equal to log x to the power of x. Log x to the power of x. By the properties of logarithm, that is the third property, that value can be written as log y is equal to x into log x. For these steps we got 1 mark. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 mark ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. and then for differentiation we have a 1 mark. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log y? Log y, the derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy divided by dx. dy divided by dx is equal to, in the right hand side we have product of two functions. First one is x, second one is log x. Suppose if product of two function is there, for differentiation we have to use the product rule. Product rule says that keep a first function as it is, differentiate the second function, plus keep second function as it is, differentiate the first function. So keep x as it is into, write the derivative of second function. Second function is log x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus keep second function as it is, that is log x as it is, into, write the derivative of first function. The derivative of first function, that is x, the derivative of x is nothing but 1. Here x are cancelled. So dy divided by dx is equal to cross multiply the y, that is y is multiply both the terms. So write carefully, y into here x are cancelled, 1 is there. So 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ 1 ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ log x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ. And then next, substitute the value for y. Here we take y is equal to x power x. So finally dy divided by dx is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. This is the final answer. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5th one. 4th one ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5th one ಸೇಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ June 16 and then June 17 and then March 18. That problem will appear in your examination 3 times. Differentiate x power sin x with respect to x. The question will appear in the examination question paper like that: x to the power of sin x with respect to x. Differentiate x power sin x with respect to x. This question will appear in June 16, June 17 and March 18. So first we have to take let y is equal to x to the power of sin x. Next step is take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then log y is equal to log of x to the power of sin x. By the properties of logarithmics, we use the third property. Log y is equal to sin x into log x. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ differentiate with respect to x. Write the derivative. What is the derivative of log y? The derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy divided by dx is equal to, the right side we have a product of two functions, one is sin x, another one is log x. So apply the product rule. Here first function is sin x, so keep sin x as it is, into, write the derivative of log x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x plus keep the second function, that is log x, into write the derivative of sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos x. ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ dy divided by dx is equal to y into in the first step that value can be written as sin x divided by x plus cos x into log x. Finally substitute the value for y. Here y is equal to x power sin x, so dy divided by dx is equal to y is nothing but x to the power of sin x power sin x into sin x divided by x plus cos x into log x. ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Next question, differentiate sin inverse x whole power x with respect to x. So let y is equal to, take the problem, that is y is equal to sin inverse of x whole to the power of x. Here base is also function, power is also function, therefore it is logarithmic derivatives. ಆ ತರ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then it becomes log y is equal to log sin inverse x whole to the power of x. Apply the property, then it becomes log y is equal to x into log of sin inverse x. Then differentiate the problem, that is differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log y? The derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy divided by dx is equal to, here is also two function. X is a first function, log of sin inverse x is a second function. Confuse ಆಗಬಾರದಲ್ಲಿ. x first function, log second function, sin inverse x third function ಆ ತರ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರದು. log of sin inverse x is the only one function, that is second function. Apply the product rule. Keep x as it is into the derivative of log of sin inverse x. Take sin inverse x as dabba. Log x 1 by x, log dabba 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. Log dabba 1 by dabba, 1 divided by dabba is nothing but sin inverse x. 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. Dabba means sin inverse x. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. In the product rule, we have to keep x as it is and differentiate log of sin inverse x. These two are the differentiation of log of sin inverse x plus log of sin inverse x, keep as it is. Then write the derivative of x. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So dy divided by dx is equal to cross multiply the y, that is y into 1 into x. In the numerator we have a x divided by denominator root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x plus we have a log of sin inverse x. Okay, substitute the value for y. Y ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ dy divided by dx is equal to, what is y? Y is nothing but sin inverse of x whole to the power of x into x divided by root of 1 minus x square into into sin inverse x plus log of sin inverse x. Log of sin inverse x. It is the required result. Okay. Next problem is appear 3 times in an examination. It is March 2017, June 2014 and June 2019. Differentiate log x whole power cos x with respect to x. First step is take y, that is y is equal to log x whole to the power of cos x. Log x whole to the power of cos x. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then log y is equal to log of, write carefully, log x whole to the power of cos x. Log x whole to the power of cos x. Apply the property. Then it becomes log y is equal to cos x. ಈ cos x ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ log m power n, m log n ಆ ತರ ಬರೀತೀರ into log of log x. Then write the derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. Here cos x is a first function, log of log x is a second function. So apply the chain rule for differentiation. The derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, keep a first function as it is, cos x into the derivative of log x, log dabba. What is the derivative of log dabba? 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. 1 divided by dabba place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log x ಇದೆ into d by dx of dabba place ಅಲ್ಲಿ log x ಇದೆ. The derivative of log x ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 by x ಆಯಿತು. plus log of log x is a second function. Log of log x is a second function, and then differentiate the cos x first function. What is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x. Then dy divided by dx is equal to y into in the numerator we have a cos x into 1 divided by, in the denominator we have a x log x plus into minus numerator we have a sin x into log of log x. Substitute the value for y is equal to log x whole to the power of cos x. y ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, log x whole to the power of cos x ಬರೆದು ಇನ್ನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Another problem is like that. Sin x whole to the power of cos x. Sin x whole to the power of cos x. Once again, first take the problem as y. Let y is equal to. Next, take log on both sides. Then it becomes log y is equal to log of sin x whole to the power of cos x. In this step here, that is take log on both sides. When the value is log y is equal to cos x into log of sin x. cos x into log of sin x. Then find the derivative, that is differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log y? The derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy divided by dx. That value is equal to cos x is the first function, log of sin x is the second function. For differentiation we use the product rule. First keep first function as it is, cos x into, write the derivative of log of sin x. Here sin x is a dabba. Log dabba is nothing but 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. Dabba is nothing but sin x. The derivative of sin x is nothing but cos x plus take second function as it is, log of sin x. Write the derivative of first function. First function is cos x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Here dy divided by dx is equal to y into what is the result for cos divided by sin? Cot. So cos x into cot x plus into minus sin x into log of sin x. Substitute the value for y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin x whole to the power of cos x. Substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ dy divided by dx is equal to sin x whole to the power of cos x into cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin x is the required answer. So ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಇದೇ ತರ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ sin x whole power sin x with respect to x. Differentiate sin x whole power sin x. We have sin x whole power cos x. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ sin x whole power cos x. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು sin x power sin x. ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ. Okay, next one. Next problem is in the March 2015. Differentiate that is x power x plus 1 divided by x whole to the power of x with respect to x. Next problem is March 2015. Differentiate x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x with respect to x. So to solve this problem, take that problem is y. Let y is equal to, consider y is equal to x plus 1 by x whole power x. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then it becomes log y is equal to log of x plus 1 divided by x whole to the power of x. Then we use the properties of logarithmic. It becomes log y is equal to x into log of x plus 1 by x. Differentiate with respect to x. Next step is differentiate with respect to x. Here is also two function. X is the first function, log of x plus 1 by x is the second function. What is the derivative of log y? The derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy divided by dx is equal to, Keep first function as it is. The derivative of second function. Here log of x plus 1 by x is there. So use the chain rule. Then dabba anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. What is the derivative? Log dabba 1 by dabba 1 divided by dabba is nothing but x plus 1 divided by x into what is the derivative of dabba? Dabba place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, x ಗೆ derivative ಬರೀತೀರಾ 1. Next plus ಇದೆ, plus ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ. What is the derivative of 1 by x? 1 by x is of the form 1 by x power n. The formula for 1 by x power n is equal to minus n divided by x power n plus 1. So derivative of 1 by x ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 by x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So plus into minus ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 divided by x square. 1 divided by x square. I will repeat once again. Keep x as it is. The derivative of second function is nothing but log of x plus 1 by x. Use the chain rule, log dabba. The derivative of log dabba is 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. Dabba place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, x ಗೆ derivative 1 by x ಗೆ derivative minus 1 by x square plus. Keep second function as it is. Second function ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x plus 1 by x. Log of x plus 1 by x as it is. Find the derivative of first function. X ಗೆ derivative ಬರೀತೀರಾ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. That is dy divided by dx is equal to y into careful ಆಗಿ simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು x ನ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ x ನ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ x ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ x ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ that value, that is x into x is nothing but x square ಆಯಿತು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, x square plus 1 divided by x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ x square ನ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, x square ನ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. x square ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ x square minus 1 divided by x square. Here these two are cancelled. X square are cancelled. Plus log of x plus 1 by x. Log of x plus 1 by x. Simplification na careful ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. dy divided by dx is equal to, last step, dy divided by dx is equal to y. Instead of y we have x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x into in the numerator we have x square minus 1 divided by, in the denominator we have x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 divided by x is the final answer. Up to ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, x into x square plus 1 divided by x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x square ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square minus 1 divided by x square. both x square are cancelled. ಅದು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, next one, similar to the previous problem, that is differentiate x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x with respect to x. Differentiate x power 1 plus 1 by x. Previous problem is x plus 1 by x whole power x. Here x power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, how to find the derivative? That is take the problem as y is equal to let y is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x, and then take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then log y is equal to log x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Next, by the property, it is log y is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Then find the derivative, that is differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log y? Log y, the derivative of log y is nothing but 1 by y into dy divided by dx. 1 by y into dy divided by dx is equal to, here 1 plus 1 by x is a first function, log x is a second function. Keep the first function, that is 1 plus 1 by x into, write the derivative of log x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x plus. Keep the second function as it is. Second function is nothing but log x. That is log x into. Write the derivative of first function. Here first function is 1. The derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 divided by x square. Then dy divided by dx is equal to y into. Here x is there, take LCM, take x as LCM, then it becomes 1 into x plus 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, x into x is nothing but x square, minus, plus into minus. Numerator, log x into 1 is nothing but log x divided by, denominator is x square is there. So dy divided by dx is equal to y. The value of y is equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x into denominator we have x square. So take x square as a common, x square. In the denominator, x plus 1 minus log x. X plus 1 minus log x is the final answer. Up to ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, next one problem is write the derivative of log x whole power log x with respect to x. Log x whole power log x with respect to x. Once again, let y is equal to and take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Then it becomes a log y. That value is equal to. We write directly. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ log x into log of log x. Log x into log of log x. Number of logs will appear, therefore ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log of log x whole power log x ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು log of log x. ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. log y is equal to log of log x whole power log x. Log of log x whole power log x, ಈ log x ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. log x into log of log x. This one is the first function, this one is the second function. What is the derivative of log y? That is 1 by y into dy divided by dx is equal to this one is the first function and this one is the second function. Take log x as same and write the derivative of log x. We know the derivative of log x, that is by applying the chain rule, log dabba. The derivative of log dabba is nothing but 1 by dabba. 1 by dabba is nothing but 1 by log x into ಮತ್ತೆ log x ಗೆ derivative ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 by x. Second function ಗೆ derivative complete ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ plus. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1/x. 1/x ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲಿ we have dy divided by dx. dy divided by dx is equal to y into here log x are cancelled. Y into 1/x plus in the numerator we have log of log x divided by x. So finally dy divided by dx is equal to y is nothing but log x whole power log x whole to the power of log x into, take x as a LCM, x in the numerator we have 1 plus log of log x. 1 plus log of log x is the final answer, simplified answer. Okay, ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು CET ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. CET ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ f of x whole to the power of g of x. If the problem is of the form f of x whole power g of x is nothing but logarithmic differentiation. For the final answer ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is dy divided by dx is equal to take problem as it is f of x over to the power of g of x into next ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ f of x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ f dash of x. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಪವರ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ f dash of x ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಲ್ವೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ g of x. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, g of x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ g dash of x ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ f of x ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, log of f of x. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. I will repeat once again, problem as it is, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ f dash of x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು g of x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ g dash of x. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ f of x ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ಪವರ್ x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. x ಪವರ್ x ನೋಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ದಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಇಂಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಪವರ್ ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸೇಮ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ log x ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ log x. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಇಂಟು ಈ ಬೇಸ್ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, log x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1/x, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೇಸ್ಗೆ ಪವರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಪವರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ log x, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1/x ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ log x ಇದೆ, ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, log x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, x ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ log x, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ log x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ತರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್. ಇದೇ ತರ ಇನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.